Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox in your computer. First you have to go for your search option and then you need to search for Microsoft Store. You will find Microsoft Store here, click on that. After, if you maximize it, and then you will find the Roblox as trending games in Microsoft Store. If you didn't find it here, you can simply search here Roblox. Click enter. And from here you will find it over here and you can see it's a completely free game. So you can simply click on get, click download, and as you can see it's getting ready and it's now installing. After into the installation process, you need to select which disk you want to download or install this Roblox game. So for that I changed it and then simply click on install. Now things getting ready. So as you can see the download and installation is completed. Now if you just simply click on play, as you can see in our PC the Roblox is open. Here I need to select my Microsoft account. As you can see right now it's signing in. 7 continue, and now you can simply click on let's go, and now your Roblox is loading. And as you can see into the bottom right corner the launching game is showing 9 seconds and it's open. So this is how we can simply download and install Roblox. If you want to know how to create an account or how to sign in, you can simply comment below into my video. Then I can show you or make another video about this topic. Thank you so much for right now.